Hey, this is a Minecraft video, and I'm going to be showing you how to build a redstone rapid repeater. Okay, go into creative, and I'm going to go into super flat, and create. Okay, so what you're going to need is any type of building block. I'm going to use stone. You will need a redstone torch, some redstone, and anything that you would want to uh, rapidly fire, like a dispenser. And for the dispenser, I'm going to use arrows in it. Okay, so to get started, you would put your building blocks like this. One here, one there. And you put the redstone torches like so. And what you want to do is put the redstone in between them and on top. And for some reason there's this weird thing, even when the redstone's not connected. Oh, you need a lever too. See, it's like not connected, but it's going rapid fire. So I just take that one out. And let's set up a target. That might not work. Let's see, it'll fire about to there. Alright, now let's grab our testing subjects. And for this demonstration it will be creepers. Easy. Back to game. Ugh. That should be enough. And insert your arrows. And connect it. Oh. Let me fix that. So I was wrong on how far it would go. That's the last thing I wanted to happen. Okay, that will work, I suppose. Let me just put in some more creepers. So you can, like, trap mobs in here. And here we go. Let the fun begin. Alright. That is all I have to show you today. So I hope you enjoyed. I will see you next time. You must die.